welcome back to my channel Side Ekaro. In this video, I do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Moto H20 versus Poco F3 GT device. And during this time, I'll try to use the 5 heavy games. Yes, I did include the Genshin Impact this time. Let's see which phone gonna open these games faster and which phone will be storing this many games in the background RAM management. Yes, so these 5 games are really heavy games except the Fifa game, but still I thought of including the Fifa game as well because few of the users they also requested me to include the game. And the Moto H20 has got the Snapdragon 778G processor and the Poco F3 GT has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. And both phones are 8GB RAM variants only. And in the Moto H20 I'll be using the quick launch feature and RAM boost option in the Moto H20, and this is my first time doing side-by-side comparison between these two phones using that kind of RAM boost option. So even I'm really excited to see how well this stock UI will be performing. One thing, so before I did do plenty of speed test comparisons and a lot of things, but I never used this option at all. But recently only I started to use this option because a lot of users asked me to use this feature which is called the performance, which is a quick launch and the RAM boost. So now the RAM is increased by 2GB, so total 10GB we are having in the Moto H20. And next thing I need to show you about the Wi-Fi connection. So which Wi-Fi connection I have connected? Let's go to the Wi-Fi, and 2.4 GHz I did connect to the Wi-Fi network and clearing everything from the background. Same thing in the Poco F3 GT, I also connected to the same Wi-Fi network which is 2.4 GHz. So let's clear everything from the background. So from the background all the apps are completely clean. And now these are the 5 games which I'll be selecting in this test. Let's see which phone will be able to open these 5 games fast. So no apps running in the background, that's completely clean. And let's start with the first game which is Asphalt 9 game 1, 2, 3. Let's see friends which phone will be able to start fast. Asphalt 9. So here we go. So one thing I forgot to turn on the game time, that is the reason I did stop at this moment. Later I did realize, let me try to start again. So I am using the game time in this phone and game turbo in this phone as well. So both phones are having the same kind of enhancement option, game enhancement. As you can see, now you can see the game time and game turbo. So now slightly we may see opening speeds maybe got better. Let's see what's going on. And in case if you want me to compare any other comparison with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below. First phone to open is the Poco F3 GT. So Poco F3 GT did open faster, and then the Moto H20. Slightly took some time. Not bad. So next is a Paddywan's mobile game 1, 2, 3. So both phones are opening at same pace. Let's see the image, which phone can actually show. So Poco F3 GT did show the image first. Not bad when compared with the Moto H20. So let's see the login page. Again Poco F3 GT. So 2 times. So 2 games the Poco F3 GT was able to open faster than the Moto H20. So next is the Call of Duty 1, 2, 3. Let's see friends, this Call of Duty. So this is a test which I'm really very interested in, the Call of Duty game. So usually only few phones will be able to do it with a faster speeds. So login first we detected in the Poco F3 GT. It's loading. Wow. You can see the speed, right? So right now the first phone is the Poco F3 GT. It opened faster, the login page. As you can see the difference between these two phones, there's a huge difference. I mean, not in milliseconds, it's kind of seconds difference is there between both phones. Next regarding the FIFA game, let's see FIFA game 1, 2, 3. Which phone can actually open FIFA game? And in case if you want me to include any other different games, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do my best to post the videos. First phone to open is the Poco F3 GT and then the Moto H20. Not bad. So out of 5 games, the 4 points already won by the Poco F3 GT. So right now the Poco F3 GT is already the clear winner in terms of the speed test. So next step is to check the RAM management. Let's see the final Genshin Impact, which will show the login page first. That is what I'm really focused, login page. First loading in the Moto H20, and first I got the message in the Moto H20 then the Poco F3 GT. But this difference is in the milliseconds. So not much a huge difference. So finally I did open the 5 games in both phones successfully. As you can see all the 5 games are completely open. Now let's see how many games will be in the background RAM management between these both phones. And let's go to the FIFA. And yes, FIFA is there in the background RAM management. And Call of Duty also there in the background. Yep. And next is Paddywan's mobile game also there in the background. And final game which is Asphalt 9 game. Asphalt 9 also there in the background. So one thing is quickly clear that the MIUI which is present in this Poco F3 GT, which is really optimized for the RAM management. Yes, that's the one thing which I did understand in this phone. I'm not trying to talk about any other Poco or any other MI phone, but in this phone particularly, it is really optimized. Like combination of the MIUI plus Dimensity processor, sometimes it's really good combination. That is what the reason I think so. I'm getting a slightly better kind of RAM management in this phone. So this phone was able to keep 20 games also in the background RAM management. So it should be easy for this heavy games as well. So well friends, in terms of speed test, Poco F3 GT, in terms of the RAM management, both did very good job in terms of the RAM management. Nothing much made a difference. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.